Lecture by CYC Chen Cynthia. You can pause anytime you need. 你可以随时按下暂停键。Hello everyone, today we are going to do the pencil crayon drawing. So, let's get your papers ready. You can use mixed media paper. Okay, that can be used for dry media and wet media. And of course, you can use the sketchbook. Okay, what kind of blend you have, you will see the sketch on the cover. Okay, what if you don't have any one of them? You can use the printing paper. Okay, so printing paper is working as well. Then, of course, you need to have the erasers, pencils, and the sharpener. Alright? And also I need you to prepare 2 different tracing markers. So I need to have 2 different sizes. One is like the fine markers. One is the thin marker like the needle. So you can compare these two are different. Alright? So you need to have your tracing markers ready. And of course, at the middle of the class, I will ask you to get your pencil crayons. Alright? We will going to color with the pencil crayon at the middle of the class. Alright? So let's get all the stuff ready for the class. Hello everyone, it's November, right? So you might feel raining getting even more than usual because the weather getting cooler and it's get ready for the snow day, so the rain getting be more. Alright, so today we're gonna do this photo, but we have to change a little bit. Okay, we are not just copy and paste, that would be too boring. If you see, we are gonna do a froggy. Okay, a frog's right here, and what he is holding, a flowers. But I want you to think about it. Okay, we will do the froggy all together step by step, but I want him to holding something else. Okay, so you can worry about that later. So first of all, we have to do the layout. The center cross on the paper, but super light, because we have to erase it after. So make sure it's very simple and easy to be erased after. Okay, so very light, not too heavy. Okay, reduce the pressures on the pencils. All right, so remember we're gonna holding something on the top. So we have to place our frog a little bit lower so we have enough space on top. Okay, so first of all, I want to have a big circle under the center line below. Okay, that's where is the frog. On the top, I still have a lot of space so I can do my idea. Okay, all right, so that focus on the circle. Let me zoom in so you can see more detail what I'm gonna do. Okay, so the froggy, my froggy is a little bit smaller. Okay, but you can make the froggy go bigger, your choice. All right, so in this circle, I'm gonna do an oval on the right. That's where is the face. Okay, and do another oval. See, this oval is around the face and with the diagonal angle right here. Okay, so finish these 2 oval, one small dot for head, and this big one is for the body. All right, ready? Okay, so let me zoom in even more. So we will start to do the face right here. Okay, so 2 circle, actually just 1 circle, because the other one should looks like a half circle, because the angle we won't see entire eye. So 1 circle, 1 half circle, and let's see, the space in between are a little bit far, right? I can put another 1, 2, 2.5 eye in between. Okay, so which means they are not going to be too tiny. Okay, And one more around the eye. And we're gonna do a slightly curve on the side only. And the chords looks like that, not circle. Looks like the fish. 1, 2. Okay. That's the eye. So make sure they're on the same level. One is circle, one is half circle, and let's see the detail. Okay, then it has a shape. So let's see from here. Let's see, we are on the same page. Right here. Curve up around the eyes, then go down and curve up around the eye and stop there. Okay, and that below is where's the nose. It looks a little bit weird from now, isn't it? But it will look okay after. Alright, so we finished the curve, looks like the pink ones. Then I add in 2 dots under, right there. Okay, so let's see the mouth. The mouth is pretty big. From the left, see, is over the eye on the left. And curve up and stop. That's where's the mouth. Okay, so we got everything for the face. Now we have to finish the shape of the face. So the oval just telling us the size, but it's not exactly the shape of the froggy. Okay, so go up. See, one more line on the top. Go down. Curve down. See, I'm not follow the oval. And going up against and touch the eye. So let's see. Going up, down slightly, and slightly up against, and touch the eye, and stop. So I can erase the oval on the top in case we confuse, right? Alright, then I have to finish the face. So not that this the one close to the eye, the one outside here. Now I'm tracing the oval, but at the bottom, curve up around the mouth and close it. And touch, see the small angles right here. Right here. Under the eye, it looks like a small curve. And the leaves, one more. Can you see that? Looks like the number 3 under the eye. Okay, so we finished the face. Easy. Alright, so we're gonna do the body and the hands. So from the leaves, follow the oval and stop here. And we have to go down a little bit. See, it's over the oval. Bend the arm, that's the hands. We are working on the hands. And one more line right here. And curve a little bit. He has a small muscle, so he can jump high. See, he has a small muscles right here. Alright, then let's do the fingers. Make sure the fingers is over the center line. It go like this direction. That's the first one, like the lollipop. Okay, second one. And the last one is bending because he is holding something, right? He's holding something. So I just leave that there. So before we move on, I want to erase the extra line on the right and under the face in case we are confusing. Okay, then I want to pretend I'm holding something now so I can do the other part. So I want you to do 2 lines. One, all the way down. And going up, continue. One more. Look like he's holding something, right? So let me erase the line in between. Alright, so we know how to do the other part. Let's do another hand on the top. From here, on top of the eye, go up, turn around, the fingers, curve, one more time. But this time we are not going to see the fingers. One more. Okay, so I can erase the line inside the fingers. We don't need that anymore. Okay, we curve right here. So you have to add this small curve to separate the hands and the arm. So don't forget to add in the line right here. Okay, we're done with 2 legs. Now we have to work on the other back legs. Okay, all right, so let's do it. First of all, we're gonna do a curve like here, like a hook. Touch back. See, I basically start with the oval that we have and touch the thing that we are going to hold it. Okay, then from here we're gonna do 1, 2, and stop. See, I'm not touching anything right here. Okay, then that is my toes. 1, 2, and close. Okay, all right, so that's finished the stomach. So that's the stomach. See the middle of the legs right here. Let's see, we're on the same page. Down, curve like a check mark, like a check mark. Okay, so it looks like the stomach. That's it. So we have to close the leg. 1, 2. Okay, and we continue. So it go to this direction. All right, and we have to add one more. That's a small feet. Okay, and they are very flexible. So I'm gonna add the toes. That's number 1. Because the angle, we only see the toes. 2, 3. Okay, we're done with the frog. So I'm gonna erase the circle. We don't need the circle anymore. Don't need the circle anymore, and we don't need the extra pencil line. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video right here for a couple of minutes. All right, so I want you to take a look. What's different between yours and mine, and I want you to fix it. Okay? Okay, so we're done with the frog, and we have something, but we don't know what is that, right? So now you have 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes to think about it. What is the frog hiding? Okay, you need to have the flowers or leaf or lights or a magic wand or the lollipop. Okay, I don't know. You have to think about it. Okay, copy always easy, but it's also boring. So I want you to start to think, what do you want to have on top? We have entire space on top of the paper, right? So I want you to think about it. What do you want to add for the frog? Okay, then it's the time for you to start.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, if you haven't finished your subject on the top, it's okay. All right, so for who is finished, you can grab your markers or crayons. Okay, I need to have two different sizes as usual, big ones and the thin ones. Okay, so big one for somewhere big, the thin one for somewhere small, and the decorations. Okay, for example, the leaf, our subject is the frog, right? So the leaf is big and it's kind of important, isn't it? So I can also use the thick marker to trace the leaf. I want to add broken ones. Okay, I can use the big one to trace the leaf. That's no problem. But how about the pattern inside the leaf? They are patterns, right? They are not the main shape of the leaf. So we're gonna use the thin markers to trace it. All right, because they are the pattern. So how about the frog? Of course, we're gonna use the thick marker to trace the frog. Okay, we're gonna use the thick marker to trace the frog. For short. But see, if I use this one to trace the eye, everything will turn black. There's no way for me to do the color. Okay, so I have to use the thin one to trace the eye because they are too small, right? I don't want all the things are gluing together and I don't have the chance to do the coloring. All right, so I believe you have the idea where we use the thick markers and where we're supposed to use the thin markers. If you don't have the thin markers, the pencil crayon is always there. Okay, use the pencil crayon if you don't have the thin markers. All right, so now take your time to do the tracing. Slow down, don't be rushed, and follow the pencil line that we need, and don't trace the line that we don't need it. Okay, so think about it before you actually trace it. Do I really need to trace this line, or I just forgot to erase that extra pencil line? Okay. Okay, as usual, you haven't done the tracing, it's okay. But for who is finished tracing, remember to erase the extra pencil line. Sometimes we are not actually follow the pencil line, so we might see some extra stain on the paper and it doesn't look professional. Okay, so remove that. All right, so we're gonna have our 3 minutes middle break. Okay, so during this 3 minutes, I'm not going to do anything new. So if you haven't completed your drawing, catch up, okay? So try to do as fast as you can. And we're gonna do the coloring together after the middle break. Okay, so hopefully you enjoy your 3 minutes water break. And please going back and get ready for the next sessions. Alright, now is our water break. During the water break, you can complete your work drinking some water, use washroom, stretch your body, and get ready for the next sections. Alright? And don't forget to coming back when the timer is done. Use your break time wisely, okay? Don't waste the time just sitting right here. Our water break is almost over. Make sure you got everything ready for the next sections. Almost the class. Get ready for the next part.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, so welcome back. Alright, so you might have the question. What color I should use for the frog? I would say any because there are a bunch of the color in the wall. Okay, but if you want to do something that you never seen, like hot pink, of course, if you like it, just go ahead. All right, but requires the drawing technique for today. You must do color blending for the frog, not just color value. Okay, color value just for the background, the subject that you use on the top. But for the frog, I'm looking for color blending. Okay, so you can choose either two colors. But try to make the color like go next to each other on the color wheel. It's easier for you to mix them. Okay, so I'm gonna choose purple and blue. All right, So, color branding, we use the first color to do the dark, medium, and light, just like the color volume. Dark, medium, and light. And make sure the side you might have some white space. We're gonna cover it for short. It's very simple, just color volume. Okay, we're done with the first color. Now working on our second colors. Same thing, but it's doing on the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna do it dark. Okay, then medium. Overlap on the blue and light. So I'm mixing them. So we join two color in one area. So this is color blending. Okay, so let's do it one more time. Then you can start. All right, so I want the face looks with another color, so I want to change. Okay, I like to change a lot. So I want to use the peach and yellow, light yellow. Okay, these two colors are the neighbor color as well. Okay, so again, heavy, dark, medium, and light. Then use the second color to do dark, medium, and light from the other side. Okay, like dark, medium, and light from the other side. That is color blending. Okay, so for the frog, you must to do it with the color blending. Choose two color to mix the color in one area. Okay, but for the background, the subject you have on top, you can use color volume to do it. Okay, is that clear for everyone? Alright, so you can start to color your froggy, and any color works for us. Right, so as I mentioned, the froggy must to be color blended. Okay, so two color in one area. So when you finish the frog, you can choose to do the color value, or you want to practice even more the blending colors. So the object, the background will be all on your choice, but you must do color with the color value or color blending. No flat colors. Okay? Alright, take your time. If you want to color the water drop, that's how I'm color. Okay, I use 2 colors to do it. One, I use the sky blue, the brighter color, so I added it on the side, looks like a small shadow. And because my frog is purple, so I'm adding some purple on the side, but very small, because the water just like the mirror, so they will get the color whatever you have around. So I'm adding some purple. If your frog is green or blue or orange, you can apply a little bit color on the water drop as well. Okay? Alright, so that's everything for today. We learned how to use the blending color and we apply that into our froggy. Okay? And when you're done, don't forget we always find a spot to sign the name and write down the date. Okay, so that's everything for today. When you complete your drawing, sign the name and write down the date. 完成画作之后，签下你的名字，跟写上日期。Don't forget to take a photo of your drawing and send it to us. 不要忘记帮你的作品拍上照片寄给我们哦。And don't forget to clean out the table before you go. 不要忘记清洁你的桌子哦。Bye bye, see you next time.